spring cleaning my shed, I found some pieces of wood that were excellent for this project. One of them is a piece of redwood, from which I made some bees last year. The other is a piece of Meranti, which was once a bathroom floor. For the Trivet or pot coaster I'm making, I needed some boards with a width of 11 cm, a length of 55 cm and a thickness of 1 cm. With these boards I went to my local makerspace, the Kaasfabriek in Alkmaar, the Netherlands, where I first made a template with the laser cutter, so I can easily insert the screws and set the origin point for the router bit. The 8 parts that make the trivet are designed in such a way that the pivot points are not visible from the outside. I made the drawing of these parts based on the center line of the router bit. In this way the parts can be nested as close as possible, so there are less passes for the router bit to make, because it makes 2 sides in one pass. After the routing part I went home for assembly. First I sanded off the tabs that were placed to hold the parts in the base material. First glue up was done for the middle parts. Then I could place the dowel pins as pivot points and glue the other parts to hold it all together. In this strange time we live in right now, I thought it would be appropriate to use soap as a protective coat. It gives a nice matte appearance and a silky smooth touch to the wood. And afterwards you only need some water to wash your hands. The trivets, or should I call them hashtag, moves smoothly. Not too loose, not too tight, just perfect. I hope you like this video, and if so, please consider to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. In the meantime, I'm preparing for my next video.